Hello everyone. Welcome to the world of programming. But what exactly is programming? Let me explain. Each and every person on the earth is doing indirect programming. I know you are surprised, but it's 100% true. Let's take an example. Suppose you decide to go on a picnic. To make this picnic enjoyable, you will follow some steps and you will plan your trip. First, you will decide where to go. Then you will plan how many days you will stay over there. Then you will finalize the mode of transport. Finally, your dates will be confirmed and then you will do the booking. Here is the important thing. If you miss any step, then your picnic may become a mess. But if you make a perfect planning, then our picnic will be memorable. Whatever our tour leader did for the picnic is nothing but the programming. Just like our this planning, we give instruction to the computer for performing a particular task in a logical sequence in a computer understandable language. And this is called as programming. Before we learn to program and become a software developer, we should understand two things. First is algorithm and second is flowchart. So, what is algorithm? Algorithm is a step written in logical sequence in simple English or in any language to perform a given task. Or you can say algorithm is nothing but a self-understanding of the task. Let's write a small algorithm for addition of two numbers. Here we will write step 1 as start. Then step 2, declare variable num1 and num2 and then sum. Step 3, read or accept the values num1 and num2. Step 4, sum equal to num1 plus num2. And finally, we will display the sum and then stop. In programming, we give instructions to computers for performing a particular task. This is how we write simple algorithm to add two numbers. Here, no programming knowledge is required and everyone can understand this. You can also say it's nothing but the logic of your program. Now, since our algorithm is ready, we need to prepare a flowchart. A flowchart is the pictorial representation of the given task, drawn in a logical sequence using standard symbols. The symbol used for flowcharts are worldwide accepted. Here are some flowchart symbols. First is the ellipse. It is termed as start and end, used to mark the start and end point. Next is the arrow. The arrow is used for connection. This symbol is used to specify the input and output. The rectangle is used to present steps in the program. And finally is the decision box, used for decision making. Don't worry about this diagram. You will soon get a clear understanding of all the symbols. Let's write a small flowchart to add two numbers. First, we will use the start symbol to start our program. Then the input symbol to read two numbers. Then the process symbol to add two numbers. And we will use the output symbol to print the results. Finally, end the program. Once this flowchart is ready, we can start programming using any language like C, C++, Java or Python. These programming languages has its own grammar. We call it syntax. A software programmer has to follow the logic and the syntax of the language. Once you achieve this skill, coding world is open for you. And believe me, Newtum will be your best partner in this journey. Hope you know what is programming and how simple it is. See you in the next session.